Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Richard Simmons, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Cyber attacks by China-backed nation-state actors surged by 150% across sectors like financial services, media, and manufacturing in 2024, with groups like Operator Panda, also known as Salt Typhoon, targeting telecom networks globally. China has developed specialized offensive capabilities, with distinct groups such as Liminal Panda and Locksmith Panda using advanced techniques for targeted tasks. This escalation marks a strategic shift in China's cyber operations, focusing on enduring access and positioning to limit responses in potential conflicts, such as a US intervention in the Taiwan Straits. Recent reports indicate that over 49,000 misconfigured building access systems are currently exposed online, posing significant security risks. These exposed systems could potentially allow unauthorized individuals to gain physical access to secure facilities. Security experts recommend immediate corrective measures to prevent possible breaches. The FBI has identified North Korean cyber actors as the perpetrators behind the hacking of cryptocurrency exchange Bybit, linked to a $1.5 billion digital heist. This attack is part of a series of sophisticated cyber thefts orchestrated by North Korea to support its regime financially. The FBI continues to issue warnings to protect against further cryptocurrency thefts targeting digital platforms. A critical security flaw has been identified in MITRE Caldera, with experts emphasizing its maximum severity and urging organizations for immediate remediation. This vulnerability represents a substantial risk, necessitating prompt action to avert potential cyber threats. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency has released 2 advisories addressing vulnerabilities in industrial control systems. These advisories aim to provide critical updates to safeguard systems against potential cyber threats. Stakeholders are encouraged to review the advisories to implement necessary protective measures. The Cleveland Municipal Court and a Maryland county government have reportedly faced cyber incidents, underscoring the persistent cybersecurity threats to government entities. While the precise details remain undisclosed, the events highlight ongoing vulnerabilities in public sector digital infrastructure. Authorities have arrested a suspected member of the Desorden hacking group allegedly responsible for breaching the systems of 90 organizations. The hacker is accused of accessing sensitive data and causing disruptions on a global scale, highlighting ongoing cybersecurity vulnerabilities. This arrest marks a significant step in the effort to combat cybercrime and holds potential implications for future security measures. Cisco Systems has issued a critical advisory for a command injection vulnerability affecting Nexus 3000 and 9000 series switches in standalone NX-OS mode, identified as CVE 2025-20161. This vulnerability allows attackers with admin access to execute arbitrary commands, posing significant risks such as data exfiltration or service disruption. Cisco is urging prompt upgrades and software integrity verification to mitigate these risks. The Charleston Area Medical Center experienced an email breach affecting over 67,000 patients. This cybersecurity incident has potentially exposed sensitive health and personal information. It highlights concerns regarding the protection of patient data. The US FDA has reinstated previously terminated employees overseeing medical devices, following criticism over the Department of Government Efficiency's decision to cut approximately 900 positions. The initial dismissals raised concerns about potential disruptions in medical device approval, testing, and recalls, drawing backlash from health advocates and industry leaders. While the exact number of rehired employees remains undisclosed, key positions such as medical device reviewers and food safety specialists have been restored, though some agencies continue to feel the impact of the job cuts. Thank you for listening. I'm Richard Simmons. We appreciate your time and listening. I am excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares. Stay informed and secure in the digital world.